Hello everyone, this is Mandy here. I am International Sales Manager of Kentia Flooring. Welcome to see my shoe. Now, today I will introduce the Kentia WPC flooring. Please note it's WPC flooring, not WPC decking. Though they had similar raw material but different applications. WPC flooring is inside used. WPC decking is outside used. If you have any confusion, you can add my WeChat or WhatsApp number. It's 86-187-0612-9606. Okay, let's start. Kentia Flooring, as the export business branch of Kentia Group, has its main product line, including traditional vinyl one, drawback LVT, improved vinyl one, SPC, WPC, and non-vinyl one, engineering, laminate, and the new innovation MGO flooring. From started in 2003, Kentia had expanding domestic and abroad markets. Until now, you will find we have more than 2,000 domestic shops and 1,000 containers living at Kentia every month. We started as WPC flooring from 2013. Until now, our regular capacity is about 500 containers 1 month. Moreover, we cooperate with Sean US, William Canada for long years. Choose Kentia, choose healthy life. According to relative research, female had a final decision in 70% family decoration. So, as a female role, I will tell what we need through one-type home-use flooring. Eco-friendly, this is very important to our family. Well-foot feeling, especially when we have a baby, maybe sometimes they will happen to falling off. Easy to install. Sometimes we need prefer to DIY our own home. Cheap price. Easy to clean. So, what WPC flooring is? Can it match all the requirements above? Let's check. WPC flooring has the 4 basic layers. We had samples here. The first layer is transparent. Wearing layer with UV coating. It can control luminosity, protect the deco film from color fading. Please note, and inside the door Any inside door flooring can't be used directly sunshine for a long time according to manufacturer advice. The second layer is deco film. You can see the surface of the flooring can show different patterns and different colors. So that is deco film function. Kentia had invested the 4x pattern from the deco film factory. So if you choose Kentia, you can own different patterns to attract your customer and taking up your local market. If you need more information, you can book one-by-one chat or directly contact Mandy here. The third layer, you can see in the middle of the flooring, you can see a black line. That's PVC cone. It can balance the up and down the strengths and adding dimensional strength. The last but not least is WPC substrate. Our regular color is yellow, but mostly of our orders is OEM, so you can custom your own favorite color or size as you need. Adding formal processing aids, lubricant into PVC material, WPC enjoy a soft substrate. Regular thickness is 4 mm and 5 mm. Of course, WPC follows all wear performance as vinyl one. Pre-finished with the wearing layer, deco film, PVC cone first, later glued together with the substrate, then cold press. WPC enjoy a more stable construction, not easy delamination. So let's look some Kentia flooring videos to see what Kentia flooring different with others. Now the shoe is close to finished. Welcome to see other videos in this plant. If you had any confusion, you can mail or directly call me here. Wish you have a good time. Bye bye.
It has basically the four layers. The fifth layer is the padding one. It's not necessary. You can choose the padding or not. The first one, wearing layer, with UV coating. It is transparent. It can control luminosity, protect the deco film from sunshine. Please note that any inside the flooring can't be directly sunshine for a long time according to manufacturer advice. Of course, this layer can protect any stain or water penetration. The second layer is the deco film. As you can see, vinyl flooring can show different colors and different patterns. That is the deco film working. The third layer is PVC layer. It is a middle one to balance the top and bottom strengths, adding the dimensional stability. The last but not least is WPC substrate. As you can see, it's mostly of our WPC flooring is yellow one, but you can order your favorite and market favorite color. Like one of our customers ordered the green one. The fish is like I referred before, it's the cushion. So you can, according to your project or your customer request to add the EVA, XPE, and Coke. So in my hand, it's samples of WPC flooring, 6.5 millimeters. Wiring layer is 0.5 millimeter. If you have any interest, you can contact us for free samples. Next, let's see how WPC flooring come out. PVC cone calendar, hot press. Please note that hot press is a key craft, as the hot press need a feasible temperature, pressure, and time to confirm the color and the surface finish is right with the customer's confirmed one. So it requires a technical person and qualified material like canvas, OPP, or graining board. Then UV coating, annealing, and the balance. In summer, we need 2 days for balance, and in winter, we need 3 days. WPC cone extruding. As I referred before, it had non-wood powder into it. Mostly material is also PVC. So the finished and adding the WPC cone, we need to glue it. You can see this is the WPC substrate. And this one is the rest third layers. You just need to put this one, we put the glue here, and the next step is put the planks into it. Cold press. Saw into the planks. Profiling. The profiling also another key important craft. We import a homemade machine from Germany. After finished from the homemade machine, we will test height differences and opening gap. For example, the maximum height differences is 0.2 millimeters. Average height differences is 0.15 millimeters. According to installing experience, if clean is not good enough, it will be called lost for end user. Of course, it is a big loss for manufacturer's reputation. The painted bevel and cushion is optional, not necessary craft. After all above, we will do the packages here. Mostly of our orders are OEM, so they will send us their designation or we design for them. They will use their logo or pictures into the package. The second is loading. This is the regular options according to substrate size and our customs orders. This is the regular size with length and width, and this is all types of thickness, including the cone, PVC PVC cone, WPC cone, and wiring thickness. If you need, you can take a screenshot for it, or we will send to you directly PPT file. Of course, if you had a project on hand or you are a distributor, you can send your order in detail with the surface treatment, clink, bevel, and cushioning with all the details. Then we can give you accurate quantity one by one. Then, what WPC used? Compared with because WPC flooring belongs to vinyl flooring, it's 100% waterproof, anti-stain, easy to install, eco-friendly. So, strictly to say, it can be used everywhere indoor use. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or maybe some commercial applications. It can be used everywhere indoor use. Of course, WPC belongs to vinyl flooring, but it's a better one if you choose well foot feeling. So it has some special applications you need to prefer choose WPC flooring. Like this, every family will have a baby when it's a little, then older. So if you choose WPC flooring, you can choose one type safe flooring with your baby. You can cherish every moment with your baby. When she falling down, when she start walking, or if she is a naughty one, she likes drawing on the flooring or playing with her tool, then you choose easy to clean and safe flooring is very important to your family and your baby. You can rest assured that your baby can walk on the floor without shoe. Of course, in our daily life, you are in the dancing room, you in the gym, or in the basketball court. You also need one type flooring that it has a good foot feeling. So you are not so tired when you do so much exercise. So, simple to see, WPC flooring is flooring with a spring inside. Okay, the most important with this shoe is coming. That is a special price sale. It's specially prepared for 127th Canton Fair show. So we had some inventory WPC flooring. They are waiting for your buying. So let's check. We had 3 types of WPC flooring for recommendation. On the left side is the picture of the flooring. Maybe the color is hard to see by the videos here. If you need, we can send you the picture directly, or we can send you the samples for your further checking. And on the left side, we list all the discrimination of the WPC flooring, like the size. It's the regular size, 1.2 millimeters, and wearing 0.3 millimeter is enough. Embossed surface treatment makes the WPC flooring more texture. Of course, this type flooring will only have 200 square meters in stock. So, if you have interested in this flooring, you can book one-by-one meeting or directly contact Mandy for searching the details. You can take the screenshot for it. The second one is a little darker one. It's the EIR, embossed in registered service treatment, and 1.5 millimeters length. Luckily, this time we have 806 square meters, so you can take your chance to start a try order for Kentia. Why not? And the last one, it enjoys the same green with the second one, but the color is a little dark. So the size and the surface treatment is the same with the second one. And also it has 600 square meters left. So this is all the special selling type. You can book to discuss the detail with our salesman. Good thing, not waiting. So just try calling or try to add our WeChat or WhatsApp, no matter what. If you have interest in it, you can find any way to contact us. Okay, then I know no matter in the broadcast or the X cotton fair, you can visit the booths and you will find so many flooring manufacturers. But it's not a strange thing because it is China. You will find hundreds or thousands of flooring manufacturers here. But as I referred before, WPC enjoy a little more different, a little more craft compared with other flooring. For example, SPC flooring. So not so many person will prefer to invest the machines or more technical person to produce the WPC flooring. Then why you choose Kentia, not others like who? So why is Kentia? Kentia, I will give you the explanation why you should choose Kentia. Kentia established in 2003. We started with laminate for our first business. Then in 2013, we started with the WPC flooring because, as I told you before, the WPC is a little new thing from China. Then in 2019, we do the research for new innovation MDO flooring. My colleague will give you the further speech on the MDO flooring. Its the biggest performance is anti-fire, anti-water. So we are close to 20 years flooring export manufacturer in China. And this is the regular capacity. You can find WPC flooring, you have the 500 containers 1 month. Compared with the others, you can find SPC flooring and WPC flooring. These two is hot selling, especially export to US, Canada, Australia, and some countries in Europe. So Kentia Flooring is just the export flooring branch of Kentia Group. In China, Kentia had a bigger career. We had 3 producing basing places, like in Jiangsu, we had in Danyang City and Huanan City. And in Anhui, we had Chuzhou, also producing SPC flooring in Chuzhou City. We had some branch with company name. I can remind you that we have Jiangsu Chengyi Home Finishing Holding Company. That is to do the whole home finishing. You can see the pictures below. Of course, because our flooring, some parts of flooring like the engineering will use the wood. It's environmental material. So Kintia also pay attention to do the charity career like the Green Fund. We had all Kintia who invested one CBA basketball team, Suzhou Dragon. So if you love basketball or if you happen to China, then you can contact us. We will give you some free basketball tickets. Then enjoy your basketball shoe. In domestic markets, Kintia had more than 2,000 domestic shops. This is our logo. You can see like my t-shirt. It's our Superman logo in domestic markets. Also, WPC is hot sales, biggest hot sales in domestic markets. We call the super flooring. Chinese is 肯亚超级地板. So if you had like familiar Chinese brands, you can take this picture to him and he will know that is Kintia flooring. That's it to say, Kintia enjoy a big reputation in China. Of course, we had a rich experience with big house builder like the Country Garden. Of course, the Country Garden also has their business in like the Indonesia, Malaysia, these countries, and Wanda Group and Evergrande Group, some big group house builders. We will give them the flooring for their house and support after selling service. In a border market, we cooperate with Sean Plums for many years. We attend international service events in USA every year. And Billiard Canada, China West. We also discuss the new cooperation with the big custom, but the name we need to keep secret until we really make the final cooperation. So, if you can give us more trust to Kintia, you can save less secondary trouble. Because as compared with other building materials, flooring is a different one, because if you install the flooring at your home, if you find the part of the flooring it has the problems, then you need to replace the most area the flooring. Then it will cost you the time and because in the abroad market the labor cost is very high, and you need to buy new material. So you can't buy the first supplier, so you need to find another time to find a new distributor shop. So if you choose Kintia, we had the big reputation for support. You can save your less secondary trouble. From the raw material, the first one is very important, as we tested the flooring. Compared with the other flooring, we checked that their wearing thickness is not enough. For example, if our regular thickness is 0.3 millimeters, maybe they can only reach the 0.2 or 0.24 millimeters. Thickness is very important because it's the first top layer of the flooring. It can protect everything in the down constructions. So if you have not enough flooring thickness, the surface life will be shorter. And formula percentage. Different countries, different companies will have a different formula. It's maybe just the technical formula that what we can see, but we change the formulas after the failure. So our bigger Kentia is a bigger company, so we had all the skilled technical person. The second, we had our own print film and transparent layers plant. We have the mostly the print film is produced by ours. We also buy the print film from the other companies because we had so many flooring orders, so our own capacity is not enough. The print film is not enough, so we buy parts from the other companies. The last but not least is we not use non-recycled material. Some customers will ask me to give her the price like it's virgin one and the recycled one, the two different price. But I can only tell her that we don't have the recycled material. I'm sorry, because we cooperate with the shop. If we use any recycled material, then the dust or the material will be in the machine and it will pollute the machine. So when we produce the Sean's flooring, it will be has caused any problems. So we don't take this risk. And we have the QC control system. So our QC team will have all the documentary, the controlled and record samples. No matter if you place the order for us, we will first the important thing is we will keep your sign, confirm or sign the samples. Each batch of the samples we will compare with the first one. Make sure that each batch of the flooring is color is the same. So the time is close. Then I need to hurry to the time is close. I will show you the videos of Kentia for last one. Please wait a moment. So Kentia is across the highway road. You can see the two ends of the factory belongs to Kentia. This road is from Shanghai to Nanjing, so it is also very convenient for your visiting our factories. So if you have any interest in you can contact Mandy here. Okay, you can take a screenshot for Mandy's contact way. So today's show is finished.